model, 2021 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4h2 and 2.2 DSS needs turbo simple TEPAIR. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,616. MOT, the 13th of November 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, full service cam belt changed at 99k. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,975 plus VAT. Click the